you're going to be looking and not behind. That's all I'm saying. You know, this is the Silver River. It's unique in one aspect. Every drop of water you see beneath the glass came out of the ground. 132 springs feed, or 123 springs feed us a little over 800 million gallons of water every day. Some of the finest water. Oh, look at my Corona water beer right there. They're not Corona, they're Bluegill. It all comes out of the ground, holes in the ground that we call vents. You call them springs. We got one I'm trying to mosey over, trying to fight the wind to get to it, but it's down there on my left, and I'm about to turn over it. As I do, we call it the Spring of Stars. Now, that's because dignitaries and people who are full of themselves, that's usually Jaguar fans, they'll come over here, sit here for a minute, and go back to the dock. Y'all ain't going back that fast. But that great slab you see down there comes into view, that's it right there. 23 feet down, kicking out right out a quarter of a million gallons of water every hour.
Wow.
Now, I know it sounds like a lot of water, but it's not really. Ginormous. Where are you from? Oh, there's a ginormous fish down there. You look at that fish. It has got big bug eyes and Kim Kardashian lips. That's a tilapia. Seriously, you put ruby red lipstick on that thing, you'll see my mother muscle. I'm serious. That's a tilapia, by the way. That's really what it is. Them other fish that are looking fish, they're actually called bluegill. Now they're tasty fish, but they cause us a lot of problems. You see, did anybody go into the Discovery Center before you come on the boat? That is Creature Cavern down there. I'm trying to show people on the right. "28 feet down, kicking out right out of 500,000 gallons of water every hour." Creature Cavern. The bird just flew by. It's a cormorant. If you look up there on the right, there's a nest about 12 feet up. That is a cormorant or water turkey. That bird you see above and to the left of the water turkey doing that weird thing with its wings, that is a male anhinga. That I like about this vent, it's not the vent, it's not the spring. What I like is the wood. Now I'm turning over, and as I do, I'm going to come up on a rock formation, and that rock formation has some wood alongside it. The wood is actually 18 pieces down there altogether, and they fit together. They make up a 63-foot-long dugout canoe. Now, 63 feet awesome. That means it's royal or ceremonial. The best part about it, though, is its age. It's carbon dated to be right at 625 years old, indicating that it is not Seminole, but rather Temecula. The Temecula are Native American tribes who lived here. Now, some say as far back as 1,100 years ago, all the way through a year that we do know, 1821. That is the year that Spain completed evacuating Florida. Now, when the Spanish left, the Temecula had been fighting the British and then later the Americans for about 300 years. That empty-handed loading up, and y'all better go long. They're as accurate as RG3 for the first 20 yards. You know, I used to say as accurate as Tom Brady, but he's going down that OJ tube real quick. He's doing Hertz commercials. I heard he's moving to California probably, right? Well, I don't know. Y'all see that little turtle over here?
Please take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints. Hey Castiel, how did you like the glass bottom boat tour? Yeah, thumbs up. Would you do it again?
Kind of.
Okay, what did you see?
Fishy.
Fish.
And also a long-nosed fish.
Oh yeah. And then we saw turtles and birds,
And statues.
statues. We saw a little alligator.
Oh yeah. Actually 2 alligators.
And where they filmed Creature from the Black Lagoon.
That's right. They filmed a bunch of movies here at Silver Springs. So, you really like this trip? Okay. Well, what do you tell your viewers? Make sure to
Like and subscribe down below.
see you next
And
time.
make sure to go on a boat.
That's right.